Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel Tiny Bit. So right now it is about to be 9:30 and just now I had my breakfast and today I finally finalized that I will head to library because in room I am not that productive because even now I have my semester exams, so I have to prepare for that. And literally I haven't started studying yet. I have to start and like do best for this time because rest of the three exams went really casually, but this time I just want to make it happen really nice and smooth. And another thing is that like once exam got over, I'm like मैंने पूरा एग्ज़ाम क्रैक कर लिया है टाइप्स फीलिंग आती है यार, और मेरे को कुछ करने का मन नहीं होता है एंड आई barely start things, but today I would like to start and I would like to give 100%. And another thing is that like during those exams, like exam preparation and all, like I just left with chanting. Like मैं एक ही दो तीन चार माला करती थी, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाती थी. But right now I'm trying to give best in this too because chanting mala helped me to be real, not that perfect but real. Like it just push me to be good and walk in a right path. That means no gossiping, no gambling, no nothing. That is the best thing I ever encounter with this chanting mala. And even I have to start reading Bhagavad Gita because this is the only way through. That is just a supreme thing that I wanted to do this time. And even I am trying to do one or two classes daily, that is for the self discovery. So that is the thing right now. Yesterday and day before yesterday I was really struggling because like I could not vlog and I could not, I don't have, literally the energy level is very low and I try to even vlog but still I couldn't. That couldn't help. आधा अधूरा क्या ही vlog post करूँगी ना. So that's why I didn't post. And it's because moving from one hostel to another, shifting takes your whole energy, takes my whole energy. That is the most important thing that I've judged myself, because doing so much work at a one time, it like takes your whole energy. Like I was like barely can move my body day before yesterday. Actually, like itna dhoop hai, itna garmi hai, but still you are trying to move, trying to shift from one place to another. It takes whole your energy. So that is the thing, I was not vlogging. That is the whole reason. And right now I've started, like I am fully recovered and like I'm happy to start this vlog today. Right now it is 10:19 in the morning and I'm pretty late to start this vlog, but still it's okay, it's fine. But still I started. Like I'm happy, I'm very happy to start this vlog and I miss you guys a lot. Like once I like stop vlogging, like कुछ ना कुछ missing हो रहा है अभी तो ऐसा लगता है. And this consistency challenge helped me to grow much better. Like I am trying to I'm trying to give 100% and that 100% is trying to give me back so much pleasure and happiness. Because whenever I go कहीं भी मैं जाती हूँ, I don't feel like scared to like take my phone out and like talk on my own way. I don't feel scared. But right now, before this I used to feel little no, because I like before this I used to feel like pretty scared and like thoda sa, I don't know, shy kind of feeling I used to have. But right now I'm becoming so bold and I must say that I must share this to you all. And right now मेरे को क्या करनी है, chanting करनी है. But I must say that I was not vlogging, but I was chanting. I was chanting 16 round and that is a great feeling ever and I'm happy doing that. And once your mind is free, you get into some kind of trap. You start gossiping, nonsense gossiping and like gambling with friends and all. So that is the worst thing for in my case. So I don't feel like as you say कि हम human being हैं, हम social animal है, तो थोड़ा सा हम कर लेते हैं. पर ऐसा नहीं कुछ भी बात करो, like किसी के बारे में बात करो, it's not good, right? So like I was like observing myself. I was talking about somebody and like so on, going on, and like literally I stopped doing that because of this chanting. Chanting helped me to be a better person. That is the thing. Like I love chanting. So hey guys, again classes has just started and I'm heading for my classes and there is the Pooja is waiting for me. Oh my god, इतना गर्मी है कि क्लासेस जाने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं होती है. हाँ, मुश्किल से कैसे भी I'm dragging myself for classes. Hey guys, what's up? Right now I am out actually after my classes I got super tired, and then I like literally didn't feel like vlogging, and I rest for a while. Like literally now I'm starting this vlog, and now I'm here for chanting, so let's do the chanting. What's up? Welcome back again. Right now it is 10:40 p.m. and I am filming this video. As you know, I am trying to study for now. Like I barely can able to study here. Like consistency challenge helping me, but still like I'm lagging behind. I'm giving 100% for say, but I'm not giving 100% literally. Like that is very hard right now. I don't know, like maybe of this scorching heat, or maybe there are many, like there will not be one reason that I'm not studying. There are many reasons, you know. I'm trying though. And today I set for meditation too. I set for almost 30 minutes meditation. 30 minutes बहुत ज़्यादा होता है, I know, but still I like कैप करके, जिसकी मैं आगे 11 मिनट्स के लिए बैठी थी, और सेकेंड में 11 मिनट्स के लिए बैठी थी, अभी just मैं 8 मिनट्स के लिए I sit for meditation. Like you know, meditations brings me lot of awakening thoughts, plus gives me the stressless feeling, give me the pleasure from within. The mind, the burden level is quite low. Like meditation, like I just quit doing this for some time, but now I again started doing meditation just since from today itself. Just I just want to share this with you all. And another thing, like there are many, you know, there are no singular thing that make me happy. There are many things that makes me happy, and right now I'm just studying existentialism, and I'm really struggling. My eyes are just dying to sleep. इतना मैंने 20-30 मिनट्स मैंने रीडिंग किया, और रीड करने के बाद my eyes are like so drowsy and feeling so sleepy. So hey guys, what's up? And right now it is early in the morning. Not early in the morning, it's already 10 a.m. in the morning, and I'm like literally, you know, I'm realizing this consistency challenge is not for me, you know. Like this is so hard to say this, but I am losing this game. And literally इतना easy सुनता है consistency रहना, उतना hard है. I realize this, and still I'm struggling, I'm trying. And you know, there are so many challenges in life, you know, moving from one place to another. And even I am here, it is very hard for me to adjust in this room. Even this is my room, but still, and it is taking so long time to adjust. Like it's already 5-6 days in this room, and I'm still like unable to adjust, unable to settle down. I don't know, like I'm just a slow settler. I think I feel like I don't adjust that quickly. And what to say more? So today is Sunday, and especially I am trying to make this day more beautiful. So I'm trying. I'm not giving up on myself. I'm not giving up on myself, because I'm the sole responsible for myself. So I never give up. I should never give up on myself. That is the utmost feeling I am getting right now. But still, this consistency challenge helped me realize that I'm not that consistent person, but practice makes man perfect, you know. That is the thing, utmost thing. Practice. I'm trying to practice. If मैं 1 और 2 घंटे के लिए पढूं, पर I am putting this into practice. That is the great thing. Like I know this is very late to learn, but still I am doing it. You can see it's raining out here. Finally, it's raining in Banaras. अच्छा सा वेदर हो रखा है आज, काफ़ी अच्छा. Like इतना गर्मी थी. You can see my face. You can see my face as like I've got lots of like क्या बोलते हैं इसको, घमौरिया. Like maybe people laugh at me like when I say ghamauria, ghamaura, something like that, and like I don't feel like saying it, but I have to say it. This is ghamora. Yeah, I should not sigh because I should not have that feeling that like मैं ऐसे ही प्रोनाउंस करती हूँ यार. प्रोनाउंसिएशन डिफरेंट हो सकती है ना, सेम प्रोनाउंसिएशन थोड़ी होगी. लाइक यू कैन सी दिस, कितना सारा मेरे को घमौरिया हुआ है. Finally it's raining. I'm so happy. Yesterday night I just dance with the rain. Like I couldn't capture this video because like it's quite personal. So, but I can say this, right? You can see it's raining. It's raining. Rain, rain, rain. Hey guys, what's up? Right now it is 4:41 early in the morning and I couldn't sleep till now. Actually, I've taken one medicine that has a lot of caffeine because you know I was just getting a very 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 like ridiculous वाला headache. Then I just take the medicine. उसमें इतना ज़्यादा caffeine है कि मतलब I could not sleep whole night. Still like मेरे body में कोई pain नहीं है, कोई stress level भी नहीं है. I don't know like I should not take that medicine that night, today's night. As you can see, it's early in the morning. Like